Web Development. By Sir Al. For more videos please hit subscribe button below. Thank you. There are the most popular website, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the search engine Google, Edmodo online application used for online class and other website. All of us know how to use these websites, but do you guys know how to develop or create this kind of website? You need to be a developer and learn computer programming. To be a developer is the greatest job in the world, like these following successful people in the world of development. Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft. Top 1 richest man on earth, a net worth of nearly $90.2 billion. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, youngest billionaire, a net worth of nearly $70 billion. Before we start, I will explain first what is website. Website is a collection of web pages. To create a web page we need to learn first how to use HTML, which is the building blocks of web page. CSS is for the appearance of web page and JavaScript is for the behavior of web page. But before learning CSS and JavaScript you need to learn HTML first. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. HTML elements. Tags are the elements that create the components of a page. Tags surrounded by angle brackets usually come in pairs. Example: start tag P and end tag \P. Stuff between is called element content. Tags are not case sensitive. New standard is to use lowercase. Sample HTML document. The doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. This is where the head and title is located. The body is the main or center design of the web page. Let's start creating HTML documents. Step 1, open Notepad. Windows 8 or later, open the Start screen, the Windows symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Type Notepad. Windows 7 or earlier, open Start, go to Programs, Accessories, Notepad. Step 2, write some HTML. Write or copy sample HTML documents into Notepad. Step 3. Save the HTML page. Save the file on your computer. Select File Save As in the Notepad menu. Name the file index.html and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. You can use either .htm or .html as file extension. There is no difference, it is up to you. Step 4. View the HTML page in your browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser, double-click on the file, or right-click, and choose Open With. The result will look much like this. The next tutorial will help you to learn more tags or HTML codes. For more videos, please hit subscribe button below. Thank you.